Hi beauties, welcome back. If you're looking for an SPF to layer under your makeup, look no further, especially if you're deeper skin-toned makeup lover. Murad Skincare has just launched new sunscreen multivitamin clear coat SPF 50, and it leaves no white cast. It's not just a clear sunscreen, it's a sunscreen plus skin treatment for all skin tones. This sunscreen is SPF 50, non-comedogenic, non-pore clogging, and safe for sensitive skin. This SPF leaves zero white cast. This SPF is more than just your daily sun protection. It is also the solution for dark spots, uneven tone, and early signs of aging. Around $42 for 50 ml. It contains UV filters, avobenzone, homosalate, octosalate, and octocrylene. Final thought, it has a clear gel texture. No white cast on my skin tone, has added fragrance and essential oils, but I don't notice much of a scent. Does not sting my eyes. Water and sweat resistant. I definitely did not get velvety matte from this. They did mention a few times on their website that this is meant to be nourishing, so maybe it is geared more to those closer to dry skin. I did find it a bit greasy and like it was a layer of slip sitting on my skin. Nice that there is no white cast and it is easy to apply. Thanks for watching.